Moving on to the cash flow statement, which is the third book of a financial report of a business. The cash flow statement tells us if the company is bringing in more cash than it is spending, which is positive cash flow, or if it is spending more cash than it is bringing in, which is negative cash flow. It is divided into three sections. The first section is cash flow from operating activities. This includes net income, depreciation, and amortization. Adding these three up gives us total cash from operating activities. The second section is cash flow from investing activities. This includes all capital expenditures made for that accounting period. It is always a negative number because it results in the depletion of cash. The second entry under cash flow from investing activities is total other investing cash flow items, which adds up all the cash that gets expended and brought in from buying and selling of income-producing assets. If more cash is used up than brought in, it is a negative number. But obviously, if more cash is brought in than expended, it is a positive number. You sum these up, you get total cash flow from investing activities. Now moving on to the third section, which is cash flow from financing activities. It includes all outflows of cash for the payment of dividends. It also includes the selling and buying of the company's stock. For example, when the company sells shares to finance a new plant, cash flows into the company. But when the business buys back its shares, for example, cash flows out of the company. The same thing applies with bonds, which is basically debt. You sell a bond, cash flows into the business. You buy back a bond, cash flows out of the business. So you add these entries, you get your total cash flow from financing activities. Now, these three sections are summed up to give us the net change in cash for that business. Now, having summarized how a cash flow statement looks like, let's dig deeper to see what useful information it contains that can help us determine whether the company in question is a great business to invest in or not. Let's check it out.